starting in the lower east rift zone. As of 10:30 p.m. last night, the front of the Fissure 8 lava flow had entered the ocean at Kapoho. Laze, lava haze, and steam explosions are expected, as with the Fissure 18 ocean entry. Fissure 8 remains active with a vigorous lava fountain up to heights of 220 feet and a wide perched lava channel. Small outbreaks of lava should be expected along the length of the channel, and we are currently tracking a breakout north of the Kapoho cinder pit near the intersection of Cinder and Railroad. Currently, the lava flows have covered about 19.9 square kilometers, which is roughly 7.7 square miles or 4,917 acres of land. At the summit, an explosion from the Halema'uma'u crater at about 3:50 p.m. yesterday registered as a magnitude 5.5 earthquake and produced an ash plume to an estimated height of 8,000 feet. Continued crater collapses and explosions, some registering as earthquakes, ash plumes, and degassing should be expected at the summit. Thank you.
Hawaii's volcano Kilauea has been violently erupting since the beginning of May, and lava from Fissure 8 has crashed into the Pacific Ocean, creating toxic steam and lava deltas. Hawaii volcano Kilauea has forced thousands of residents to evacuate their homes as lava flow continues to cause chaos. In the footage, lava flow from Fissure 8 crashes into the Pacific Ocean in Kapoho Bay. The United States Geological Survey said late on Monday evening local time that lava was still crashing into the sea despite the fountaining becoming slightly less vigorous. The lava crashing into the sea creates a toxic steam, known as laze, combining the words lava and haze, and contains tiny particles of volcanic glass. Laze can be seen filling the skyline in the footage captured from a helicopter. Hawaii County Civil Defense warned on Monday evening. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that vigorous lava eruptions continue in the lower east rift zone. Fissure 8 is very active in producing a large channelized flow that is filling in Kapoho Bay. The ocean entry is sending a large laze plume into the air along the coastline. The warning urged residents to be aware of the laze hazard and stay away from any ocean plume. The USGS has also warned the lava flows crashing into the sea is likely to form lava deltas. USGS said, when this happens, it can trigger explosions that hurl rocks hundreds of meters, yards, both inland and seaward, and send huge waves of scalding water onto the coastline. Worsening the hazard are the near-surface lava tubes directly inland of the coastal entry. These tubes transport molten lava from the vent to the ocean. The ground surface above them can be structurally weak in spots, which makes it dangerous to walk over them and causes the tubes to leak noxious sulfur dioxide gas. A total of 50 homes and structures have now been destroyed since the recent spate of violent eruptions began in May. Around 2,000 people have been forced to evacuate from Lalani Estate and Lanapuna Gardens, with around 2,200 acres of land have been torched by lava.
according to the saturation levels of certain gases that I'll mention. That's indirect. Laze, you probably won't be involved with laze.
Hey guys, we gotta go. Hey, Gene, can you go find out? And the force that is when it's got a really good splatter. Lava just doesn't eject itself out of the ground, it needs a propellant. What is the lead to the angle of these eruptions? Alright, we're going to get back into view here, read, and
So the magma was inflating, that was causing the ground to move up in the pool area.